Edo State government don give the Divine Providence school buildings back to im owner. Edo State government through the Ministry of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development don carry waka for Thursday go Divine Providence school wey dey for Awudo Street along Palace Road, Ute community for Upper Mission Ex ten sion for Igbobaoka local government for Edo State to unlock am sake of say the owner don follow the due process wey e suppose follow before, and na dis one come make dem open am back. The owner come still apologize give Edo State government.
I want to first of all express my thanks to the Governor of Edo State and the Honorable Commissioner for accepting my plea and coming to seal my school. And I promise, even with my letter here, to abide by the rules and regulations and the conditions given to me. And I know by God's grace, I will not default. Thank you. God bless you.
Una go remember say for Sunday, the Commissioner of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Isoke Omo, and the enforcement team carry waka go Ute community after one informate reach dem about the illegal buildings for there. Una go still remember say na dis one come make the Commissioner, Isoke Omo, and the enforcement team go do check for the area and come discover say the matter na true. Dem come seal up the Divine Providence school sake of say the owner of the school buy road and start to dey build on top the road to add to the school. The ministry come still carry waka go another place wey dem dey plan build store illegally. The enforcement team come sharparly use some equipment take design the building to show say make dem stop work on top am. Make una no forget say when you see something say something. The number to green the ministry anytime you see illegal things like this na 091 28 902734 or 081 04 66 3697. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes give any politician or political party on election day.